Today I'm going to. I bought a Honda Activa 125cc bike. Today I'm going to say a review about that 125cc bike. So coming to the this bike, this cost around like 1 lakh. When it comes to the engine and everything else, it's really good. It is the engine is BX6 engine, so that is a they are using. So this is 125 technologies. When it comes to performance, it is really good when it's very smooth. Coming to the fuel, it uses PGM-FA technology, just like it gives a just like it sprays like in the fuel it happens, so that it happens very fast. That is one of the good feature. We can see in bikes like R15 and FG. In that way, when I give accelerator, it happens like that. So that's why we can see the beating. So that is a fuel injection they have falling. That's why it is very smooth when I start my bike. Its fueling is very fast. But coming to the braking, it has given like a telescopic lenses. It has given. So for front, they have given the disc brake. This is around like 120 mm. They are also given alloy wheels for my model. So this is also one of the good features. So it perform like a just like a bikes like R15 FZ. How when I moving in a bike, when I apply brakes, how it perform in the same way it apply. That's what I am experienced. Coming to they have given the LED lamps. So these are the LED lamps they have given for this Honda Activa 125cc. So you can see the front design also little bit changed. So you can see the difference. It look very pretty, really good. So design from Honda Activa 125 to 100cc to 125 design they have changed. So it looks very good. When it comes to lock system also, they have given in a different way. Like this is the lock system they have given. Suppose if I want to on and off the seat, if I want to take the seat, just I have to press the key. So that is the one of the good feature they have given. So no need to open my seat with lock and all, just like earlier. So that is the modification they have given. When it comes to they have given the digital meter and analog meter. So in this one we can see the how much fuel is there, how many kilometers I have driven, and time also given. So that is one of the good feature, I can say that. So this is the overall, like I have drive the bike around like 280 kilometers. Time also it is showing, and fuel also it's 1 point currently. So it is giving digital and analog. So that is also one of the good feature. When it comes to another good feature, they have given like a when I want to off the bike, auto off. So no need to off the bike, no need to off like this, no need to in a ignition. I have no need to give like this. Instead of giving offing off my bike with keys, I can off the switch, so that whenever I am in a traffic, I want to save my iconic mode, I can do that one. So this is the auto engine kill they have given. So that is also one of the good feature, I can say that. So when it comes to the seat capacity, it is seating also really good. So little bit design has been changed. So seat also looks like broad. So people who are more weight, they also can sit. When it comes to seating position also, I can sit very comfortably, so that I can drive the bike more convenient way. So if a person has a height around 6 feet also, it would be good, really convenient. So posture also really good. So it would be a really good for it. Coming to the bike weight, it's weight around like a 111 kg weight. So this is the weight they have given. Coming to the mileage, they have given like in cities it gives around like 58 kilometers. In 50 it will give in cities. In highway it will give more. So that is the overall. Coming to the price, it cost me around like 1 lakh is the price for me, 1,03,000 for on-road price. That is the one of the good feature, I can say that. So if I want to fill my tank with fuel, so no, earlier they have given there, but here they have given the here, so that no need to rather than last design they have changed that one, so it would be a good approach, I can say that. So that is the thing again. For back side they have given the lights, so little bit design has been changed, so design look really good. So when I on the bike also, it has given the lighting, this is the lighting it has given, so design looks really pretty good. So that is one of the thing. For back they didn't give any disc, so that is the one thing. When it comes to engine, it is an BS6 and a 4-stroke engine they have given, so they have given alloy wheels also, so that is the one of the good feature. Coming to the color, my bike color is like, so when it comes to the back, they have given like so for seat they have given the weight, it's not more spacious, so this is a space they have given for my bike, so where I can put my kits and everything. So this is a toolkit they have given for me, so whenever any puncture happens I can use these as the tools. So this is not too much like earlier we have a for the design we can put so many things, but for this design they have changed this one because so, but I can put the whatever the I can put my helmet, so that would be foot for here. So overall it's really pretty good. Okay, that is overall about this one. When it comes to the performance, it is really good because I have ride this bike around like a 2 through 3 days. So whenever I apply the brakes also, it performed really good. For engine also, it's very smooth because they are using PGMF fuel technology. So for they are also using like ACG with ACG is they are using, so that whenever I start the engine, it starts with very smooth rather than like earlier version we used to get so much lot of sound. So that is the purpose. Here they are using ESG, ACG is the thing. They are using different technology like, so that's why it performed really good. Overall, it is really good for me. So when it comes to 100cc and 125cc, they have shown the two major difference. One of them is they have changed the LED. So for old design they have changed another one. This one they have changed LED, and fuel system also they have changed. So those are the two major things, and they have also changed the disc. So total they have changed 3 changes. So it would be a really good approach compared to earlier version. Those are the 3. Coming to the negative points, they didn't give the USB charger and Bluetooth connectivity. If they give that connectivity, it would be a really good. So when it comes to negativity, cons for everyone there would be a cons, but for LED it's not giving more light like when we use it rather than the other light. So LED it is also giving the whenever I am riding the bike, it is also giving, but it's not giving more light like it's showing like Broadway, but it's not showing the whatever the things I have to see the road. So that is what I feel that the technology. So overall, it is a really good worth price for this one. Braking and everything, performance and really good. Whenever I am riding the bike, it feels like a very smooth. That is the overall thing. And thanks for watching video. So currently I am on the switch. Whenever I use my stand, so engine automatically it would stop. So whenever we forgot to when we use this stand, whenever we forgot, so engine automatically it would off. So that would is a good feature, I can say that. Sometimes we may forgot in a hurry, so if you forget the stand, engine won't start. So that is one of the good feature. And another one also, they have given the auto kill switch, so that whenever we are in the traffic, when we want to off the one, it will off the engine within 3 seconds. So that is the one more thing. And other thing also, whenever I want to on the bike, so if I give the accelerator also, it will on that one. See ना हमारे. Thanks for watching my video.